my name is Jinri. I'm from www.violinlessonssingapore.net. Today, I will be sharing with you about music theory tips. This video is specialized for grade 1 beginners. Hi, this is Junri. This is the free tutorial on how to prepare for your music theory grade 1. Okay, so this book is commonly used to prepare for theory exam. Okay, so over here, as I've listed, here is the treble clef. Okay, whereas here is the bass clef. These are the two important things that you have to learn. For bass clef over here, here is C. As you can see here, there are 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your note for C, middle C, will be on the second one. Next, for your treble clef, this will be your C. You draw an extra line, then you draw the circle in the middle. Now, this is how notes go on. You should know this by now. C, D, E, F, G, then A, B, C. Then you continue this cycle and keep on going on, etc. So, for your treble clef, it's going to be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. For the bass clef, over here it will be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. As you can see over here, this is for bass clef, and that is for treble clef. Now, let's move on with the next one. Okay, and now let's talk about the sharps and flats. Sharps and flats are basically like an accompaniment for your notes in your music piece. They are quite important when you are doing your music theory grade 1 and will be tested quite a lot, so please pay attention. As you can see over here, this is a sharp. A sharp may look something like the hashtag. You would put the sharp on the left side of the note. For example, C sharp. You draw C here, then you draw your sharp over here. Next, we're going to talk about flats. So, here is an A flat. A flat. So, like we said about the sharp just now, the flat will be on the left side of the note. So, let's give you another example. For E flat, the flat will be placed on the left hand side of the note. Now, in case you're wondering what sharps and flats are, let me show you more on the piano. Okay, so now let me give you a demonstration on what sharps and flats are. Let me just give you a brief demo through the piano. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So for an example, C, and then you try and find C sharp. So since it's a sharp, we go up to the right hand side. So that is C sharp. In case you've forgotten what sharp is our hashtag. Okay, next, let's look at E flat. This is E. So if we go E flat, we go to the left hand side. E flat. Now the flat is like the B in what I taught you just now. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to talk about time signatures. Time signatures is basically the number of beats in a bar. For an example, here is 4/4, 4 beats in a bar. See, for 3/4, 3 beats in a bar, and obviously for 2/4, 2 beats in a bar. What does this mean? This means that for every bar, example for 2/4, you have 2 crotchets, because 1 beat plus 1 beat. So that means 2 beats in a bar. Okay, now let me show you some examples. Okay, so as you can see in this example here is 3/4. This means 3 beats in a bar. So if we look at here, a minim, 2 beats plus a crotchet, 1 beat. And see, minim plus crotchet. So this equals to 3 beats in a bar, like what they say here, 3/4. Let me show you a few other examples. Okay, here it says 4/4. This means 4 beats in a bar. So minim, crotchet, 2 plus 1 plus 1. Now over here this is a crotchet plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is actually a rest. So when you are playing your violin, you play da, 1 beat, and you stop, da, and then you stop. This is what they mean by rest. However, we will not be touching on rest in this tutorial. Okay, we are near to the end of our tutorial. Let me do a wrap up and overview about what we have learned in this tutorial. The clef in this case is a bass clef. Time signature 3/4 time signature. As I said previously, means 3 beats in a bar. Next we have, for example in this case, a minim, so 2 plus 1 crotchet, and this is a sharp. So here is C, D, E, F, so an F sharp.